In this video, I'll show you how to fix YouTube videos that keep pausing on your Windows PC. First, open Google Chrome. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Delete Browsing Data. Set the time range to All Time. Select Browsing History, Cookies and Other Site Data, and Cached Images and Files. Then click Delete Data. Once the process is complete, go back to Chrome Settings. From the left-hand menu, click System. Turn off Use Graphics Acceleration when available. After that, click Enable and then Disable. Finally, if you're using Bluetooth headphones or speakers, turn Bluetooth off temporarily and test YouTube again. A Bluetooth connection issue can sometimes interrupt video playback. That's it. This is how you can fix YouTube videos that keep pausing on your Windows PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.